Hey, I am Cahill, Kobe's friend.
And I'm Tyler.
What? He's Tyler.
Stop Veda.
Yeah. And you probably saw me first.
This is my channel.
Yeah. Why'd you pause it?
I unpaused it.
Oh.
This is terrible.
Yeah, I'm kind of new at this. No, my name is Cake Hill.
No, it isn't.
It
Cake
is.
Hill.
No, it's not. It's Cake Hill. I don't.
Cake Hill.
My name is Cake Hill.
It's Cake Hill.
Cake, yeah, and hill. Okay, now it's my show. Now, I'm gonna show you how to make 2 French braids. Okay, I'm gonna go with my brush.
Oh. Look at your brush.
Okay, Tyler, keep you company.